In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google site searchable. If your Google site isn't showing up on Google or other search engines, it's usually because of a couple of visibility settings. I'll walk you through exactly what to change so search engines are allowed to find and list your site, and I'll also share a few tips to avoid common pitfalls along the way. First, open your Google site in the editor. Make sure you're on the site you want to make discoverable, not just the site's homepage. You'll want to have the site open so that any changes you make apply to the correct project. Next, look to the top right and click Publish. From that menu, select Publish Settings and then open Search Settings. This is where Google Sites controls whether search engines are allowed to index your content. Find the option that blocks indexing and turn it off. In many versions, this appears as a setting that says something like, "Do not allow search engines to index this site." Turning that off tells search engines you're okay with them including your pages in search results. Think of this like taking a "Do not enter" sign off your front door. It doesn't force search engines to come in right away, but it removes the barrier that was keeping them out. Now head to your sharing settings and make sure the site is published and public. Your site has two states, the draft you edit and the published version people can see. For search engines to access it, the published site must be visible to everyone. In sharing or publish settings, confirm that the audience is set to public or anyone can view, not restricted to your organization or specific people. If it's restricted, search engines won't be able to access the pages even if indexing is allowed. After confirming that, publish the site so your changes go live. A few quick notes to set expectations. Allowing indexing and making the site public doesn't instantly place it in search results. Search engines discover content on their own schedules, and it can take days or even weeks for new or updated sites to appear. Also, make sure the content you want found is accessible without a sign-in and that your navigation links work on the published version. If a page is hidden or requires permission, search engines won't see it. That's all you need to do. Open your site, allow indexing in search settings, and ensure the published site is public. Save your changes and publish, and you're set.